after making one of my previous videos on why I stopped doing art commissions, I was asked to make a video on how to get them. In the past, I've gotten commissions through various ways, and if I were to start over from scratch on accepting commissions, here's what I do. If you're new here, my name is Corey. I'd like to share my journey as an artist and also other art thoughts. Look at our location today. Different location. I'm switching up outside locations every time. Did you peep it? You probably peeped it. Let me show you. Let's jump in. Now, if I was just starting out, I would build up a portfolio. And use 1 to 2 platforms to share it. You can use Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Those ones I would use. Now, when it comes to Facebook, that's good for family and friends, and also local people, local residents. Another thing with Facebook is when family and friends or local people see them getting commissions from that person, that builds trust because they have trust in that person. I hope they instill none from that. If they know that person and they have trust in that person and that person has purchased something from you, that builds that sort of trust right there out the back. So Facebook is good. If you're just starting out, I would use that to share it locally. And then when it comes to Instagram and TikTok, that's more so non-locally, which is good. Now, when I share things on Instagram and whatnot, my son is running like he's being chased by a fish that grew legs. Now, when I share things on Instagram, that's good for targeting businesses, and especially TikTok as well. A few of the projects that I've done have been connected through Instagram. I believe they would see my Instagram page and they would either direct message me or email me. Instagram, TikTok, good for businesses as well, and also non-local people. And then what I will also do is I would make sure the pieces that I'm sharing are consistent pieces. Example, I wouldn't have charcoal piece, a pen and ink piece, acrylic piece, some landscape piece, a pet portrait, people portrait, abstract. I wouldn't have all these things because that makes a choosing process much more difficult for people. They don't know what to expect. They see the page and they're like, I don't know what to get. I would do something that's more consistent and they know what to expect. The next thing I would do is create a post or carousel or page on my website that shares the process. It shows them what to expect without having to ask. And when you share this, you're breaking it down. This could be the pricing, if it's delivery or pickup, those kind of options. The process, what kind of style art they're going to get, how long it's going to take. You can break those down. So you're not only saving them time, you're saving yourself time too. Because then someone's not reaching out asking the same questions that someone just asked. So that's good too. And again, this could be a carousel or it could be a page on your website that has the entire process of what they're going to get and what that looks like. Especially for businesses. That saves a lot of time for businesses because then they don't have to reach out to the person and that person is expecting for this business to hire them for something and then the business has to let that person down. So that's good for businesses as well. The next thing I would do is limit the time it takes me to complete a commission. Me, I will aim to spend about 2 to 4 hours. Why? Because this makes the process much faster. I'm also able to accept more commissions. If I were to get a commission, I could probably do it within that day or spread that time throughout the week to do it. Spending little chunks of time on it, if that's all I have, is a little bit of time to spend on it. It also creates a faster turnaround. People like a faster turnaround. When they order something, getting it quick is very good. You kind of want to be Amazon Prime around here. It also is great because if your turnaround time is much faster than someone else's, that's good. Because let's say they want this as a gift and they only have a little bit of time to get this gift to the person. That's where that comes in. The sun came out. My eyes are a little squinty. It's all right. Another thing that does is it helps prevent burnout. I wouldn't want to be taking like 10 to 15 hours on a commission, and the next one's 5 hours, the next one's 10 hours, and not really know the measurement of how long it takes. So it helps build that consistency and not get burnout pretty much, not get tired of doing them too much. You may get tired over time, like I did, and you know what to expect yourself. Then also word of mouth. And word of mouth is underrated because word of mouth is one of those things where you're just simply around people and you share what you do. Then that word of mouth travels from one person to the next. This is great for family and friends because when your family and friends know it, then they tell other people. Now, when I was on commissions, family and friends are the main ones who would want these commissions, and that's when I would do these commissions is through family and friends. So if you're looking to just start them out, if I'm just starting out, I'm reaching out to family and friends, share it on Facebook because I would already have that group of people on Facebook right there to just share them to. And since they already know you, it's easier for them just to reach out They don't feel as uncomfortable as when they reach out to a stranger. Another place to where this word of mouth works very well is at events. What about festivals or events? One of the main questions I get asked is, do you do art commissions? Even if you're not vending at these events, you can simply be at them. Go to art events, go to different things like that, and share what you do. Also, give out business cards. Now, business cards, you can save some paper and just show them your Instagram. That's what I just do. I'm like, hey, here's my Instagram. I got no card. Here's my Instagram. Also, I don't really look at business cards. I don't. I'll take them, but afterwards, I don't really look at them. They just build up my wallet. So if you're like me, you just show them your Instagram, show them your social media page, the kind of work that you do, and share it like that. Also, if you're looking to connect with businesses more, walk into businesses. You walk directly into businesses and say, hey, can I speak to someone who would possibly want a mural done here or a commission of some sort that's in the style that you do? Walk directly into businesses or email these businesses as well. That sun's getting brighter and brighter. Lastly, I will leave you with your purpose. What is my purpose of doing it? Am I doing it for only financial reasons? Am I doing it to develop my skills as an artist? Or am I doing it for both? I think that's something that's going to definitely carry you through these commissions. It's going to help you continue to want to do them so you don't face that burnout and you get to a point like me where you're thinking, it's not worth it. Creatively, they aren't for me. Now, if they fulfill you creatively and also financially, then they may be good to do. Now, if it's for a financial purpose only, you need some extra cash, and people are like, hey, I want a commission from you, and they're constantly doing this, look, I ain't against some extra cash. There's nothing wrong with that. So if that's the reason for doing them, and also while you're doing them, they don't tire you out again. It's not like burnout. You're not dreading doing it, and some extra money. Why not? There's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, I will think about my purpose as in why I'm doing them. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.